Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to BVR Info. This is Ram. In previous classes, we discussed about parts of speech briefly, right? That means noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb. Okay? Till that I explained you. Now preposition, it is a very important topic in communication skills. Preposition topic is very important while speaking. While speaking, we must use on, in, at, by, to. These are the words. It gives the perfect meaning. Right? Now let me explain you in a different way and different. Now preposition. Now take one example. I am going by bus. ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకోండి. I am going by bus. I am going to school or I am going to college by bus. That is okay. Now here by. By means the word which is using before the here. Let me explain you one by one. This is pronoun I. As we know that this is pronoun. Am is helping verb. మీకు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పినట్టుగానే I అనేది pronoun. Am అనేది helping verb. Going action verb. By is preposition. Bus is object. Understand my point? Here the word which is using before the subject or before the object is called preposition. Preposition అంటే ఏ వర్డ్ అయితే మనం సబ్జెక్ట్ ముందు గానీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ముందు గానీ యూజ్ చేస్తామో దాన్ని preposition అంటాం. Here lot of examples are there and prepositions is of three types. Preposition place or preposition time and direction. Three types of prepositions are there. Place preposition, time preposition and direction preposition. Now let me explain you one by one. Okay? And take one more example. I am talking to you. Here you means subject. So before the subject is also preposition. Sometimes depends on situation, before the subject or before the object is called preposition. Okay? Now here prepositions are three types. Time preposition, place preposition and direction preposition. Let me explain you some examples and how to use. Okay, this is very important topic just to follow. These are the main examples we use regularly. Okay, on, in, at, by, to. These are main prepositions examples. Because while speaking we use these words very regularly and very often. Now first one, on, travel purpose. And place, or first you can take place or location. Location, travel and time. Okay, now let me explain you place. The book is on the table. Book is on the table if you take. Sorry, I am not getting space here. Book is on the table. Here on I am using before the object and location. Where is the book? Book ekkada undi ante the book is on the table. The water is on the floor. Okay, I am using that before the location. That means place. Where means I am using place. So this way we can use on. Second one, travel. Here lot of people do mistakes. For example, where are you means I am in bus, I am in car and I am in some flight. We use, right? But we must use for two-wheelers. Two-wheelers also. And four-wheelers more than four. Let me write it clearly. Travel purpose, four-wheeler and more than four. More than four also we have to use on. I am on bus. If you are inside the bus, I am on bus. And flight, if you are inside the flight, we have to use I am on flight. I am on train. Okay, we must use on. In English, it comes a different meaning. We have to understand that. Okay, in Telugu, if you use I am in bus means okay, నేను బస్ లోపల ఉన్నాను. But in English we have to use I am on bus. For inside the bus only we have to use on. I am on bus means bus lopal unnanu ani. Understand my point? Next, time purpose. Before the weekdays we have to use on. Understand my point? Let me explain you one by one clearly. First one, on. First, location purpose. I am writing big letters so you can easily understand. I am on bus. This location is, the book is on the table. The book is on the table. We can use. Okay. Now I am on bus. On. For four-wheelers and more than four, we have to use on. And for two-wheelers also we can use. I am on bike. We can use. Okay. Next one, time purpose. This is travel. Next, time purpose. For weekdays, on Monday, on Tuesday, whenever we use in present tense, past tense, future tense, we must use on before this. And festivals, on Dashara, on Diwali, I will come on Dashara, I will come on Diwali, we have to use on before this. Okay. Next one, before ordinal numbers. On 2nd, on 15th August. When is Independence Day means on 15th August. We have to use like this way. Okay. And we can use on foot. I am coming on foot. If you are coming by walk, we have to use I am coming on foot. Understand my point? This is about on. And some more examples also there. I will let you know clearly. No problem. Whenever we use, we can easily understand. But these are very, very important. On location purpose, we have to use this. And on bus, for four-wheelers and more than four-wheelers, we have to use on. And weekdays, festivals, ordinal numbers, okay, we have to use on. Next, in. Same, location purpose. Travel. Time. First, location purpose. The book is, otherwise, I am in room. In room means inside. That means closed surface area. Closed surface area. We have to use in. Closed surface area, we have to use in. I am in room, I am in class, we have to use in. Travel purpose. I am in car, I am in car. Why I am using car? Here four-wheeler, but own vehicle is there. Own vehicle, four-wheeler we can use. I am in car means I am in my car. I am on car means on cabs. I am in car means my own car. I am on car means online cabs or anything on car. Understand my point? Now here I am in, for three-wheelers we can use in. Understand my point? I am in auto. For three-wheelers I am in auto. I am in car means four-wheelers, own vehicles. I am in bus. In my bus. I am on bus, in a travel bus. That is. Okay, next one, time purpose. Before, months. In January. In February. In present tense, past tense, future tense, whatever you use, we must use in. Before months, before weekdays, we must use on. I will come in January, I will go to Mumbai in December, we must use in. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఏ టెన్స్ లో యూజ్ చేసినా ఏం చేసినా మంత్స్ ముందు ఎప్పుడైనా ఇన్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. మండే, ట్యూస్డే, వెన్స్డే యూజ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆన్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఎప్పుడైనా ఏ టెన్స్ లో కానీ, ప్రెజెంట్ కానీ, పాస్ట్ కానీ, ఫ్యూచర్ కానీ, నేను జరిగిపోయింది కానీ, ఈ రోజు చెప్తున్నది కానీ, రేపటి గురించి చెప్తున్నా కూడా ఆన్ అనేది సోమవారం, మంగళవారం, దీని వారాలకు ముందు యూజ్ చేయాలి. నెలల ముందు ఎప్పుడైనా ఇదే యూజ్ చేయాలి. నెలలు, సంవత్సరాలు కూడా, ఇయర్స్ ఆల్సో. Years also we have to use in. In 2011, in 2001, we must use in. Okay, understand my point? This is about in. Okay, next one. Right, next one, at. At is also one preposition where we have to use. Right, let me explain the location purpose. At, I am at Dilsukh Nagar, if you take, or I am at home. We must use for home at always. I am at home, not I am in home. Understand my point? Home is a permanent location. House is a different one, right? So that's why let you know about house and home difference. Now here, if you take in Hyderabad or anywhere, I am at Amirpet. One location, one particular location is we have to use at. Understand my point? I am at room. If you take, I am at room. This is one more example. I am at room. Or if you take in, for example, if you take I am in class, I am at class. In class means inside the classroom, that is fine. I am at class means just in front of the door. Where are you means I am at class. I am at class means nearby class, that is. Just nearby means it is not about reception or anything, just outside the door, class door, that is at. Understand my point? If you take any classroom, now for example this is a classroom, okay, I am asking you where are you, means you are inside the class. Sir, I am in class, that is fine. I am nearby class means just nearby, maybe some other classroom or inside the campus but somewhere nearby class, that is okay. But I am at class means just in front of the class door, that is at class. Understand my point? నువ్వు లోపల క్లాస్ లోపల ఉంటే ఐఎమ్ ఇన్సైడ్ ద క్లాస్, దగ్గరలో ఎక్కడైనా ఉంటే ఐఎమ్ నియర్ బై క్లాస్. బట్ ఐఎమ్ ఎట్ క్లాస్ అంటే క్లాస్ డోర్ బయట నుంచి ఉన్నదాన్ని ఎట్ క్లాస్ అంటారు. దట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మెయిన్ పాయింట్స్. ఓకే, అండ్ సెకండ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఐఎమ్ ఎట్ అమీర్పేట యూజ్డ్ రైట్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. ఇక్కడ చిన్న లాజిక్ ఉంది, ఒకసారి ఆలోచించండి. ఐఎమ్ ఎట్ అమీర్పేట్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ అంటే if you are telling about small thing, we have to use at. If you are telling about big thing, that is in. Comparison. I am at home in Dilsukh Nagar. Understand the point? I am at class in college. First class తీసుకున్నాను నేను. క్లాస్ అంటే at యూజ్ చేశాను. అప్పుడు ఇన్ క్లాస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? కాలేజ్ లో. ఇది I am at college. If ఇంకో ఎగ్జాంపుల్, I am at college in Dilsukh Nagar or Amirpet. ఇంకో ఎగ్జాంపుల్, I am at Amirpet in Hyderabad. I am at Hyderabad in TS, Telangana state. I am at Telangana in India. Understand my point? If you are telling about this, one by one, if you are comparing, we have to use smaller for at. If you are using big one, that is in. I am at class. నేను క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నాను. క్లాస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఇన్ కాలేజ్. I am at college in Amirpet. I am at Amirpet in Hyderabad. అమీర్పేట్ అనేది హైదరాబాద్ లో ఒక ఏరియా కదా, సో ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. I am at Hyderabad. హైదరాబాద్ అంటే ఒక ఏరియా, ఎక్కడ ఒక ఏరియా, సో తెలంగాణ. I am in తెలంగాణ. At తెలంగాణ in India. I am at India in world. Understand my point? This is a perfect example for at, right? And at location purpose is done, right? Two ways we can use at. Now time purpose. At means particular time, fixed time, particular, fixed time. ఎట్ అని చెప్పాము అంటే పక్కగా షార్ప్ ఫిక్స్డ్ టైం. మై క్లాస్ ఈజ్ ఎట్, మై క్లాస్ ఈజ్ ఎట్ 6 PM అంటే ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా 6 PM కే క్లాస్ అని, ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గా 6 షార్ప్ 6 o'clock, నాట్ బిఫోర్ నాట్ ఆఫ్టర్, జస్ట్ ఎట్ 6 o'clock మీన్స్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 6 o'clock. దట్ ఈస్ ఎట్. టైం ఫిక్స్డ్ టైం అంటే ఎట్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, నౌ నెక్స్ట్ బై. By, if you are using by, first time purpose. I said already about at, right? At 6 PM, exactly sharp 6 PM, right? Fixed time. By 6 PM. By means by the end of. By the end of 6. By the end of ante after 6, after 6 o'clock. This is about by. By 6 PM means after 6 o'clock. By the end of 6 PM. My program is at 6 o'clock. Exactly 6. My class is by 6 o'clock. After 6. Understand? Now by we can use for transportation, travel purpose. Transportation. If you are using in and on, we have to use for bus and, right? Inside the bus. And ఇప్పుడు I am in bus or I am on bus అంటే I am in my bus or I am on some travel buses inside. But this is for journey purpose. If I am telling about my position, నా గురించి నేను చెప్పాను అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు in and on యూజ్ చేస్తాం. But if I am telling about vehicle, మన వెహికల్ గురించి చెప్తుంటే జర్నీ గురించి we have to use by. For every vehicle we have to use 2-wheeler, 3-wheeler, 4-wheelers, we have to use by. I am coming by bus. By bus. By flight, by car, by bike, and on bike also correct. By bike. If you are telling about journey, we have to use by. Understand my point? This is about by. Time and travel purpose. Okay, next one. To, last but not the least, preposition to. To is a location word. Location word. ఇక్కడ ఒక మెయిన్ పాయింట్, ఫ్రమ్ అండ్ టు ఆర్ కాంబినేషన్, బిట్వీన్ అండ్ ఆర్ కాంబినేషన్. And these two are very very important combinations. If you are using from, always to. మీరు ఎప్పుడు from యూజ్ చేసినా always to యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఎప్పుడు between యూజ్ చేసినా always and యూజ్ చేయాలి. My class is from 6 to 7. నా క్లాస్ 6 నుండి 7 వరకు. సో from, always to. My class is between 6 and 7. Same meaning, both are same meaning. But if you are using from, always to follows. But if you are using between, always and follows. రెండు సేమ్ మీనింగే. బట్ బిట్వీన్ యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు ఎన్ యూజ్ చేయాలి, ఫ్రమ్ యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎప్పుడు టు యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ముంబై టు ఢిల్లీ, రైట్? దట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో వన్ ఆఫ్ ద లొకేషన్ పర్పస్ వీ కెన్ యూజ్, ట్రావెల్ పర్పస్. ఓకే, హియర్ వీ కెన్ యూజ్ ఫ్రమ్ టు ఆల్వేస్ కాంబినేషన్, బిట్వీన్ అండ్ ఆల్వేస్ కాంబినేషన్. ఎప్పుడు బిట్వీన్ యూజ్ చేసినా అండ్ కంబైన్ గా ఉండాలి. ఐఎమ్ సిట్టింగ్ బిట్వీన్ యూ అండ్ సమ్ అదర్ పర్సన్. ఓకే, రామ్ అండ్ రాజ్. ఐఎమ్ సిట్టింగ్ బిట్వీన్ రామ్ అండ్ రాజ్. We have to use and between combination and from to or combination always. Okay, this is about prepositions. And let me explain you one more example here. Diwali, on Diwali. At Diwali and on Diwali. What is the difference? At Diwali, on Diwali. I will come at Diwali. I will come on Diwali. Here, on means, we know that weekdays, days. Diwali is one day. Diwali అనేది ఒక రోజు వస్తుంది కదా. So on we can use for Diwali day. That is fine. అంటే ఆ రోజు, one day, one weekday. Any time on that day, that is at, I will come on Diwali అంటే దివాళీ రోజు ఏదో టైంకి వస్తాను అని. I will come at Diwali. At అంటే fixed time. Fixed time. That means that exactly puja time or prayer time. Prayer time or worship time. Right? We can use a lot of things. Here at Diwali means exactly the prayer time. Evening 6 o'clock. That is at Diwali. On Diwali means the day, morning to evening, anytime you can come. That is on Diwali. Okay? This is about preposition. Preposition means the word which is using before the subject or before the object. It's called preposition. ఏ వర్డ్ అయితే మనం సబ్జెక్ట్ ముందు గానీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ముందు గానీ యూజ్ చేస్తామో దాన్ని ప్రిపోజిషన్ అంటాం. ఓకేనా? ఆన్, ఇన్, ఎట్, బై, దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రిపోజిషన్స్ వి యూజ్ రెగ్యులర్లీ. మనం డైలీ మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు యూజ్ చేసేవి ఇవి. సో ఎక్కడ ఏది యూజ్ చేయాలి? ఇంగ్లీష్ లో తెలుగులో చిన్న డిఫరెన్స్ అంతే. చాలా మంది ఇన్ దగ్గర ఆన్ దగ్గర ఇన్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు. అక్కడ దానివల్ల మీనింగ్ మొత్తం మారిపోతుంది. చాలా మంది ఇప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ ఆన్ బస్, ఐఎమ్ ఆన్ బస్ అంటే జనరల్ గా అది రాంగ్ మన మదర్ టంగ్ లో. కానీ ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఐఎమ్ ఆన్ బస్ ఈజ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్. సో ఇంగ్లీష్ అండ్ తెలుగు ఆర్ జస్ట్ స్లైట్ డిఫరెన్స్. రైట్? వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో సమ్ రూల్స్. Now next one, conjunction. Conjunction and interjection are very easy topics. Let me explain you clearly. Conjunction. Conjunction. Connecting word. Connecting word between two words, two nouns, two sentences. ఏదైనా టూ వర్డ్స్ ని కనెక్ట్ చేసేది, జాయిన్ టూ వర్డ్స్ ఆర్ టూ నౌన్స్ ఆర్ టూ సెంటెన్సెస్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ కంజంక్షన్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్: అండ్, బట్, బికాజ్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ బట్ ఆల్సో, either or, neither nor. Two words, Ram and Shyam. These are two words, connecting word, and, right? But I'm coming, but I am late. నేను వస్తున్నాను కానీ ఐఎమ్ లేట్. దీస్ టూ ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్ సెంటెన్సెస్. వీఆర్ కనెక్టింగ్ విత్ బట్, దట్ ఈస్ కంజంక్షన్. ఓకే, దిస్ వన్ ఆల్సో సేమ్. బికాజ్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద రీజన్. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ కమింగ్ బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ హెవీ రైన్. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ కమింగ్ బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ heavy traffic. I am late because of traffic. Right? We can use not only but also. Not only but also means both sentences are correct. Two statements correct. He is not only poor but also honest. Not only poor but also honest, both are correct. Poor and honest both. He is not only trainer but also student. That means he is trainer, student both. Okay, he is not only teacher, he is not only bowler but also batsman. Both are correct. Let me explain you once here. He is not only bowler but also batsman. That means both are correct. Batsman and bowler both are correct. He is bowler and batsman both. Okay, అంటే బౌలర్ ఒక్కటే కాదు బ్యాట్స్మెన్ కూడా అని. సెకండ్ వన్ ఎయిదర్ ఆర్, హీ ఈజ్ ఎయిదర్ బౌలర్ ఆర్ బ్యాట్స్మెన్. రైట్, ఎయిదర్ బౌలర్ ఆర్ బ్యాట్స్మెన్ అంటే ఎనీ వన్ సెంటెన్స్ కరెక్ట్. ఎనీ వన్ కరెక్ట్. either bowler or batsman, అయితే బౌలర్ లేకుంటే బ్యాట్స్మెన్ ఏదో ఒకటి. neither nor, he is neither bowler nor batsman. nothing, two are wrong. This is no statements, both are wrong. First one not only but also ante both are correct. Two statements correct. Here two are correct. Second one either or ante anyone is correct. Neither nor, both are wrong. He is neither bowler nor batsman means bowler kaadu batsman kaadu rendu kaadu ani. Okay, this is about conjunction. Next one, last but not the least, interjection. This is very easy topic. Interjection means exclamatory marks, right? Interjection. Interjection means expressing our feelings, happiness or sad. Expressions, exclamatory mark. More happiness or more sad. Expressions. This is interjection. We have to use Acharyagragam in Telugu, right? This is surprise feeling. Wow, is it really awesome? Oh my God, right? Alas, these are the words. Wow, is it really? We have to use. Okay, this is about interjection. Now preposition, very important topic. While speaking we must use prepositions in a perfect way. And conjunction and interjection, this is about parts of speech. Okay, if you like this video please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you so much.